light back on, man. So 24 hours, gotta let that flame dry. But man, she kind of fucking nice. I appreciate all you fellows, man, reaching out with those colors, man, gave me some ideas. But I had to go a little different on it. This paint job, man. Come on, like. There you go. This paint job came out fucking flawless. A lot of work, but all the seams are covered, underneath covered. Nice. But very fucking fast. As we do that, we'll take you guys over to the power plant, which is fully built. Built a 224cc, 24 millimeter full exhaust, painted the shroud the same color. A full torque converter with the big juggernaut on it, as you see in my videos. But long story short, I put the flat top piston on it. 26 pound springs, chrome mallet push rods. We did the 1.3 ratio rockers on it. Full governor delete, obviously oil sensor delete. And then she's a non-hammy. Oh. And we put the 275 cam in there. Look at that lineup. Perfect. Using a 669 belt. But gotta build the heartbeat first, and everything else comes. And we put the flywheel on it with the advanced timing. Oh gosh, we do so much work on them. NGK plug. I think she looks sexy. Dupont block. Best thing about them. If y'all got anything else I need to do, let me know. Just trying to remember everything I did, man. I do so many motors, it's crazy. But I really like these 224s. For some reason they're real smooth. I am nighttime, just chilling. You bake a trailer. Back to light on the work we did today. Changing to heavier brake pads in the back, putting a 62 sprocket on here, and obviously we're dropping the beast on there. I think I'm gonna go with some different type of fenders. The old niche chain, and we got the battery people coming in tomorrow, so they can actually fucking see, excuse the language. And I got to straighten that strut bar out, but checked everything, refilled the gas, and refilled the fluid in the forks. The hardtail is going to be nice. I want it fast. I was going to put the rear suspension on, but it doesn't make too much sense to me. After that, I really want all the speed, but hardtails, for some reason, you get a little bit more speed. In my experience. Real peace.